Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain the chat module in SuperConstruct. The chat module is used for exchanging conversations and sharing project-related updates. To get started, log into SuperConstruct, go to your company, and navigate to the project where you want to use the chat module. From the left side navigation bar, click on the chat module. On this page, you will see a new chat button to start a conversation. Click on New Chat, and a pop-up will appear. Here, you will see options to start a direct message or create a group chat. Let's first look at how to send a direct message. Stay on the Direct Message tab and select the user you want to message from a list. Then click on Create. A new chat window will open, and the selected user will also appear in the left panel. Clicking on a username will open the chat window anytime. In the chat window, you can send messages, attach files, and add emojis. When you send a message, the other user will receive an in-app notification in SuperConstruct. You can also search for messages using the search icon at the top of the chat window. Enter the keyword, and all related messages will be displayed. Additionally, you can pin important messages and view them later using the pin option. Now, once a message is sent, let's see how the other user receives it. Logging in as the other user, you can see a notification in the in-app notifications panel. Open the chat from the notification, and you can reply to the message. You can also use the reply option on a specific message to respond directly to it.